Welcome to all to class number 54. As I told last time, simply supported beams, space problem, UDL over entire span with the 2 point loads. Last time, I will tell you what we solved. We solved a question last time, simply support beam with UDL and 2 point load. I will tell how SFD came this way and how BMD here. Some ordinate, I don't know which is bigger, somewhere here more, see parabola, parabolic, and then it came this way. Roughly I drawn. Here more work is there or more calculations. This point you have to locate, etc. Now, 3 simple questions for practice. As I told last time, not much talking. Questions I will give you, those who are serious should first note down the questions. See, I will read the questions first. Note down right now. A simply support beam of span 10.5 meter. See, of span 10.5 meter. This is question number 1. Practice question. This is 1. This is continuation of 2. This is continuation of 3. Okay. Span 10.5 meter. Loaded by UDL of 8 kN per meter over entire span. 8 kN per meter over entire span. And 2 point loads of 150 kilonewton. And one more is 40 kilonewton. 150 is at 4 meters from left end. And 40 is at 3 meter from right end. Draw SFD BMD. Now, next 2 questions I will tell now 1 minute now before going further. First, find reactions. Now, finding reaction is not a problem because as usual, take moment about this point, get reaction VB, sigma V0, you get VA, all the question. Last time question, that is the class number 53, is the important question. Compared to the question covered in class 53, this is very, very easy. So, that's why I told practice questions. But I solve in front of you only. Okay, now, find reactions. After you find reactions, make a neat entry and draw SFD BMD. All calculation, you should show those who are serious. Next question is same way. Span will be 5 meter span. 30 and 80 are the 2 point loads. UDL is 6 kN per meter for entire span. You can write the question yourself only. Last one is span. See, I have to calculate the span. 1.7 into 2 plus 2.6. 1.7 into 2 plus 2.6. Span 6 meter. UDL of 20 kN per meter over entire span and 2 point loads of 75 kilonewtons each at 1.7 meter from either ends. That means symmetrical case. Among all this question and last class 53 class number critical question, easiest question. I will solve all the questions now, correctly understand and work out later. Every question, first find reactions. Okay. I already found reactions because time should be saved. Okay, now start. SFD BMD required. I will finish all the questions now. Correctly work out. Shearing force diagram. This question, see, what happens is reactions came fractional values. Actually, it is not 127.714. Further number values are numbers, decimal numbers are there. I rounded to third decimal. So, if you find BM here, considering left side or right side, 0.001 or 0.002 difference will come. That is because of rounding of error. It is not called error. Okay, start. Go up by 146 point. Space problem here. 146.286. 286. Just 1 minute. Same problem, just to be checked. Okay, visible. 286. Then, from how much it is? 146.28. 286. From here to here, come down by 8 kN per meter for 4 meter. So, minus 8 into 4. Those who are seriously studying from my classes, they will tell this is nothing. 114.286. Some scale I am maintaining. See, 114.286. Come down by 150. See what happened here. Shear force diagram crossed the baseline here only. First question somewhere here. This question here. Next question here. Next question, see what happens. So this ordinate is 35.714. Not much. Sufficient. See. 35.714. Then again from here to here, down by 8 into 3.5. Will give you 63.714. Some scale. See, sufficient. 63.714 down by 40, 103.714, 103.714, again down by minus 8 kilonewton per meter per 3 meter, 127.714. Okay. 127.714. I am not writing SFD here. Already writing every class. SFD, all values are in kilonewton, left up, right down positive, later BMD, sagging positive. That you have to do it. Okay. Now, okay, SFD over. Locate the point where SFD crosses baseline. You should tell, no. You know the point, it is crossing baseline at C. Therefore, that extra point will not come here. Okay. I will continue later. See. Okay, I will continue this one so that those who are studying, they should complete the question. Better continue now only. No delay. Okay, start. Bending moment diagram here. I am even not writing SFD, BMD also here. I will save that much ink. See, BM here, 0. BM here, look this side. 146.286 into 4 minus 8 into 4 into 4 by 2. 521.144. I write here now. 521.144. That is the BM here. Okay. Bending moment here. Look this side. 127.714 into 3 minus 8 into 3 into 3 by 2. Y plus Y minus. Now I will not tell. There is the same reason. 347.142. See, 347.142, reasonable scale I will write here. 347.142. Now, joining. A to C parabola. And remember, this side shear force is 114, that side shear force is 35. So, this will be more steep. See, this will be more steep. Little. Draw a tangent here, the slope will be 114. But this side, not that much steep. See, this side slope is only 35.714. Okay, this way it will come. See, lesser slope. Come here. Here to here, parabola. This side is more slope. Why? 103.714. This side lesser. So, this side slope will be 63.714. This side slope is 127, therefore this is more steep. See, tangent will have higher slope, lesser slope, or I can make more clear now. See. Okay, reasonably okay. Lesser slope and more slope. Maintain that much. Over. BMD over. Second question. Write the question in the words if you want, or write the sketch question with A and B without writing VA, VB, mark VA, VB, find reactions. Then come here and start SFD BMD. Go up by 66.2. Then from here to here, come down by 6 into 1.8 is 55.4. That's all. 55.4. Okay. Then down by 30, minus 30, 25.4. 25.4. From here to here, come down by 6 into 1.2. See, note, shear force diagram still not yet crossed the baseline. Still plus 18.2. Okay. 18.2. come down by 80. Oh, this is the place where SFD will cross the baseline. See the change now? I told I do different questions of same type of loading, not for fun, for giving more and more knowledge. This is how you get complete grip. How much it is? 61.8. See, 66 is there. 61.8, some scale. Then here to here, down by 6 into 2. 73.8. Not much. 73.8. Go up by 73.8. Plus minus SFD closed. See here also. Okay. Plus and minus. No decoration. Continue. Bending moment diagram. Correctly observe now. Bending moment here 0. Bending moment here. Plus 66.2 into 1.8 minus 6 into 1.8 into 1.8 by 2. 109.44. I'll write later how much I told. 109.44. I should see the space here. BM here. Plus 73.8 into 2 minus 6 into 2 into 2 by 2. This is 2 meter because partially rubbed here. I'll change 2 meter. That will come 135.6. See, somewhere here. Some scale maintained 135.6. Here I got 109.44. 70. Okay. $109.44. 0 here. Okay. Now, shear force is crossing baseline here, so that extra point is not there. This is the point of maximum BM. See, here to here, parabola. Here slope not required. This side slope is 55.4. That side slope is 25.4. This is more steep. See, this is more steep. And here, lesser slope. See, that way. Lesser slope. Then, here to here, parabola. This side more slope. This side lesser slope. So, see, that's all. Slope more. If you understand everything, how easy you can make out as you progress more and more. See how many examples I will give. I already told you, this course is a complete coverage. Okay. Now, last one. Here. This question, after writing the question, if you observe, you can make out symmetry is there. Therefore, you need not consider sigma m0, sigma v0. Directly you can write reaction Va equal to reaction Vb, both upward equal to total downward load divided by 2, 75 into 2 plus 20 into how much length I told? 6 meter. Correct? Yes, 6 meter. Total load will come divided by 2, each will come 135. Now see shear force diagram. Now draw the shear force diagram. Go up by 135. Come down by 20 into 1.7. No, 135 minus 20 into 1.7. I got some odd wrong answer. So that's why I checked once again. See how much it is? 101. Come down by 75 minus 75. 26. Okay. 26. Again come down by here 20 into 2.6 minus 20 into 2.6 minus 26 means, see, 26 plus here minus here. Therefore, SFD has to cross the baseline exactly at center. So, you need not show the calculation. This is how much I told? 26. Then, down by 75 minus 101. That is down 101. No minus actually now. 101. Then, again down by 20 into 1.7 minus 20 into 1.7 is 135. Now see, 135 here, 135 here, both are same, 135. So you can see, this is called antisymmetry. Okay, now, plus, minus. Now, this point, I will call new point called E. You need not locate because 26 means without any doubt, this distance and this distance both will be 1.3 meter This also 1.3 meter. If you want, you can calculate. You know how to calculate. Last time you have done it. Now, or that is also not required. When symmetrical loading is given on a simple support beam, then a shear force will be 0 at center unless there is a point load there. If point load is there, then left side and right side equal values will come, but opposite sign will come. That we already covered earlier. Earlier you covered when I did simple support beam with UDL and central point load. And also, next I will take one more question later. I will tell you after this one. Okay, start. Bending moment diagram. BM0, BM0. Here BM. 135 into 1.7 minus 20 into 1.7 into 1.7 by 2 is 200.6. Last I will tell one important as news. Not news actually. 200.6. You need not find bending moment here. See, 135 into 1.7 minus 20 into 1.7 into 1.7 by 2. In the class, I will ask the students. See, here, this way, here, this way. Here, this way moment, there, this way moment. So, if you get plus here, you will get what? They will tell minus. Then I will look at them. I told bending moment. If this is plus, this also plus. If this is minus, this also minus. Then they will tell sorry, usual sorry. I will tell before telling anything, think it little and then give the answer. Directly, blindly, don't give the answer. No. So without calculating, you can tell here identical answer. How much here? 200.6. Now, I will tell something special for you. This is joined by parabola. And slope this side is 101. Here also joined by parabola. Slope here is 101. See, little I think, see, what happened is, okay. That's all, you should not bother. Okay, now, both are same. Okay. Now, one important. I have seen some places, they will tell here BM is 200.6, here 200.6, both are same. Therefore, it will remain constant joined by a straight line. Aha, what a beautiful answer. I have seen it, joined by a straight line. It is very much against the rules because when there is a UDL between the 2 points, BMD has to be parabolic, second degree parabola. And they will tell equal values, so it will not change, constant. Think of a little, there is a point here where SFD is crossing the baseline or SF is 0, so you require BM there also. See, and that value I will guarantee will come more than 200.6. Let me calculate it. Look this side. How much? 135 into, this is 1.7, this is 1.3 means 3 meter. Plus 135 into 3 minus 20 into 3 into 3 by 2 minus 75 into 1.3. That will come 217.5. See, not too much more, little more here. Not, see, 200 is there. How much? 217, little scale. 217.5. That is the calculated value here. Now, see, this slope is how much? 101, little steep. See, this slope is 101. This also same steepness. Okay. This also 101, but this side slope is 26 and see this way. This slope is less, this is more slope. Actually, I should adjust it now. More slope, lesser slope. I think 217 will not come up to there. See, the reason is that it will come only up to here. Further lesser. Then you can see here. See. It will have lesser slope here, lesser slope here. As I told you, in the board when I write using pen, hand slips. So exactly it's not possible. In the notes I will take care of all these things. Notes information I will give later. Okay, now bending moment diagram. Now one check I will apply here. if you know the standard formula, if at all you know it, otherwise leave it. If UDL is there, then maximum BM will be at center equal WL square by 8. 20 into 6 square divided by 8. That came 90. And if two symmetrical point loads are there, between those 2 point loads, anywhere bending moment equal to constant, it is the maximum for that region. Pure bending case, it is this load into the outer distance. So I will add plus 75 into 1.7. My calculator has to give 217.5. I will check it now. You can also check 217.5. I got it. It has to come. Over. Now, BMD over. Write the 3 questions. Thoroughly practice. Get ready for next class. I will tell class 55. I will tell now only information. I may change slightly. I will full UDL with the 2-point load. Now, for more information, next class what I will do is, I will take up full UDL, no full UDL. I will take partial UDL. At the end of the UDL, I will put 2-point loads. I will solve 4 questions, but one critical question in full class number 55 with all the calculation. What will happen is, SFD will come. See, by mistake, it will come this way. Sometimes people ask, how you know? I will set the question. I will ask the beam, I want this SFD. You have to come that way, no other way. Now, see, maximum BM here, you have to locate. Then I will do one thing. Next question, same as today's class. 3 questions for practice. First practice question, SFD will come. This is the point where SFD will cross the baseline. This much I will not explain. Most probably, I will take only 5 minutes because all I will write, briefly explain. Then, next question. I will set the question so that it will come this way. Now, this is the point of maximum BM. Next I will give symmetrical case. Then what will happen? SFD will come. This, see, no, wrong. Why? How much here? Same will come here. Center it will cross. BMD will come. Same BM here, same BM here. Then it will come like this. All these questions will be in class number 56. But 55, I will solve the question when your SFD will cross the baseline in between. See? Because that is where you will learn the concept. Once this question is clear, like our class 53 clear means class 54 is nothing. Same way, class 55 clear means class 56 is nothing. But don't tell nothing and leave it. Sometimes small points or easy problem only gives trouble. So correctly work out. Then I will change the coding. Like I may put, this I am telling because today class is shorter duration. I thought little more I can explain. Maybe I will put a UDL here and some point loads here and one more UDL here, point load here. Or I may put 2 different type of UDL and put some point loads here. That way, one by one questions will start and reaction solve, you have to calculate. Briefly I will explain. Any extra point which concept required, I will tell in the class. So now, thoroughly work out the question. This will remove. Work out these 3 questions. Get ready for next class. Last, not announcement. I have solved in front of you. Reaction is correct. I know it. I checked it. But by chance, if any values are not tallying, only possibility is what? Calculation mistake. So that you should not make an issue. Anyway, for your getting confidence, what I will do is, see, I will calculate here, bending moment here, this side. 127.714 into 6.5 minus 8 into 6.5 into 6.5 by 2 minus 40 into 3.5. 521.141. Yes, correct. 141 came because of rounding off error. Correct. Here bending moment, I will check this side. 146.286 into 7.5 minus 8 into 7.5 into 7.5 by 2 minus 150 into 3.5. 347.145. 145 came 0.003 difference because of rounding off error. This question, here BM, I will check that side. So that I can tell now only there is nothing wrong. 73.8 into 3.2 minus 6 into 3.2 into 3.2 divided by 2 minus 80 into 1.2. 109.44. Yes, correct. And here I will check BM from this side. 66.2 into 3 minus 6 into 3 into 1.5 minus 30 into 1.2. 135.6. Correct, tally. This I am not checking because this already I checked it. This already I checked. Okay, this one, no point checking that side because if you check from that side, same value will come. So somebody will laugh, or I will check once again this value. 135 into 1.7 minus 20 into 1.7 into 1.7 by 2. Now I can tell there is no mistake because I got 200.6. Okay, all the best for all those who are seriously learning from me. We will meet in next class.